Hi everyone, and welcome to Essentially Plans YouTube channel. If you are new here, hi, hello, my name is Essence, and if you're returning, I am so glad to have you back. As you can see on the thumbnail, today we'll be talking about how to manage your money. And I made this by what accounts you should have and what optional accounts you may want to look into. So let's get into it. Okay, so we are going to start off with the number one top tier quintessential account that you need to manage your money. And that is just a regular account with a checkings and a savings. So this can be with any big bank or local credit union. And I say this because you want a bank that is going to be easily accessible to you. So if you need to withdraw money or to transfer money, you can easily make it to that bank in order to do so. By big banks, I mean banks like Wells Fargo, PNC, whatever is local in your area that are in an abundance. This can also be local credit unions in your area that have multiple branches. So just be on the lookout to see what banks are in your area, or if you already have one. Okay, so the next account that you should have is a high yield savings account, also known as a HYSA. This is very important because in a regular, traditional, or big bank, your money really isn't growing, it's just sitting there. They will give you an interest rate between 0.01% to 0.03%, something of that nature. And your money is basically sitting there, stagnant, not growing, but it is safe. In a high yield savings account, this money is not only being stored safely, but it is also growing. Because of COVID-19, these interest rates have gone down. Most banks right now are offering 0.50% APR or somewhere around there. But once the market gets better, I'm sure they will go back up to their 2% or rates they used to be post 2020 or pre 2020. Okay, so let's take a step back for just one moment. If you are having trouble actually managing your funds, meaning that you don't know where your money is going, how much is coming in, and what you're spending on certain items, I'm going to suggest getting a budget essentially planner. This planner will allow you to break up your entire paychecks to see where your money is going, put all your bills on a monthly spread to see how much you have throughout the month, and basically help you to see where your money is going. The budget essentially planner also has savings trackers and visual trackers to help you see how much money you are saving and where that money is going. Okay, now back to the accounts that you may need. Personally, I manage about 7 different bank accounts, not including my business bank accounts. And I know that that is not everyone's cup of tea. But one thing that I would suggest is finding a bank that offers a tiered savings account. So one of my local credit unions offers a type of account. This is really good for those people who see too much money in their account and think that it is all for their personal spending, or for those who have different sinking funds that they would like to see split up. So for instance, in my account, I have vacation fund, pet fund, my new car fund, and personal spending and grocery all in one account, but they are split up into certain categories within that bank. So let's say normally, if I had a regular checkings and savings account, I could have $1,000 in my savings, and I could think that all that money means everything is taken care of and I can spend $1,000 on whatever I would like. But in my tiered savings account, that $1,000 is broken into those 5 different categories. So I'm not just seeing a large lump sum of money, but all of them are in their designated place, if that makes sense. So if you're looking to better manage your money and to actually keep track of your sinking funds or your small goals, a tiered savings account may be the method for you. The optional account that I'm going to mention is if you are already good with your money, you're in control of your spending, you know how much money is coming in and out each month. And this is going to be dependent on your income bracket. I would suggest opening up a Roth IRA, also known as the individual retirement account. If you make a certain amount of money, then this is a way to start investing and growing your money. If you're unable due to your income to open a Roth IRA, there is a way to open a traditional IRA and then convert that into a Roth IRA, also known as backdoor Roth. But we can say that for a later video. That way we can get into investing money and growing money. But if you are looking to just save money, make sure that you have your 3 to 6 months and you have all the things that you need taken care of. Then the accounts that you need, just a little recap, is an account that has a checkings and savings for your main bills, a high yield savings account that is going to help you grow a little bit of money while your money is sitting there, and also look into getting a tiered savings account if you need that extra structure in your life. If you made it all the way to the end of this video, thank you so much for sticking around. I hope that this video helped you, and stay tuned to the next one. Thanks. Bye.